It's been a fantastic experience. We've been truly pampered by Macmillan from day one, even before coming. Everything has been taken care of, and this has been an amazing 2-day workshop packed with practical ideas, useful tips. And something that stands out is that Dave is someone who's still in the trenches, he still teaches. And so we sometimes forget that many coursebook writers no longer teach, and he's giving us these tips, these practical tips, which are very teacher-friendly and pedagogically sound, because he's still there in the classroom dealing with the same everyday problems that we face across the world. And another thing that is quite humbling is to see the reality and to have the possibility to share experiences with people from across the globe, from Southeast Asia, going through Europe and across the Americas. That's been really a privilege.